Okay, now how to access the array element? You need to have two loops, which is, so this is the row starting from 0, row less than 3, row plus plus, and then you need to have another one, another loop. This is for column 0, column less than 3, column plus plus. So let's say I just want to output this. Okay, so it's just going to display data row column. Okay, and I just want to put comma here. So right after this loop finish, I want to output end line. Okay, so what will happen if you run the code? You will see that okay, so this is the output. So it will go to the first row and then go to the first column, and then in here is where it's going to loop for 3 times. Okay, the first loop is going to create this with the comma, and it goes to the next column. So the next column, it will display this, and it will go to the last column, it will display this. When it comes to the last one, because it contains, column has been increased to become 3 now, 3 less than 3, which is wrong, so it will exit this loop and display a new line. So that's why you have a new line here. Okay, that's why you have a new line here. Okay, and then this one goes to the next, it goes to the next row, and from the next row it goes to the first column, and it continues for the rest of this. Okay, let's say you want to pass this array to a function. For example, you don't want to print the array in this function main here. You copy this and you create a function void print array. Okay, so just put it here, and you know how to pass the array to the function. Let's say this is the array D, and the first, because it's a two-dimensional array, the first one you don't need to put the size declarator. Okay, you don't need to put the size declarator, but for the second one you need to put the size declarator, size as 3. Okay, so, and the way you pass to the function is just simply call that function print array, and you just simply pass data to that function. You just pass this two-dimensional array to this function. Okay, and because this one is because this one is already inside the function, so this is referring to this data, this array. Okay, so this data pass to this function. Okay, and you don't need to specify the first size declarator, but you must specify the second one. Okay, so this is how you do it in a function. Okay, similarly it will give you the same result. Okay, similarly if you have the function prototype, to create a function prototype, just copy the function header, put it here, put semicolon. Okay, remove the name of the array here. Okay, you remove the name of the array here, and for the first one let it empty. The second one you must specify the size. Okay,